Tomorrow, the Northern Kentucky Health Department is distributing free naloxone, a life-saving drug that can reverse an opioid overdose.
And they're hosting the area's first ever Save a Life Day to get this medication into the hands of more people and save lives.
We have Narcan, also known as naloxone, again, an opioid overdose reversal medication.
A box of Narcan costs around $45, which can be a barrier to getting it into the hands of more people. But the Northern Kentucky Health Department is hosting its first ever Save a Life Day to change that.
The goal being to distribute as much life-saving naloxone out into the community as possible. So internally as a team, we kind of decided it would be best to open it up to any agencies that are interested.
All 4 Northern Kentucky health departments, Boone, Kenton, Campbell, and Grant, will be distributing Narcan for free.
And then we also got the emergency shelter in Covington, in addition to the Pier in Newport, and then Florence Christian Church in Florence are all distributing naloxone.
In total, 8 locations will be handing out the reversal drug, all with one goal in mind.
We've heard so many stories of people that have overdosed in a public space. So that they can have, if somebody carries naloxone, they can potentially save somebody's life.
Inside each free box of naloxone, you'll find 2 doses in a nasal spray.
The beauty of naloxone is it will not hurt anybody that's not experiencing an overdose. So if it turns out somebody passed out from heat exhaustion or if they've had a heart attack, it will not hurt them. All you can potentially do is save somebody's life with it.
Save a Life Day is part of NKY Health's mission to bring down the amount of overdose deaths each year.
We've made a lot of progress. From 2023 to 2024, Northern Kentucky overdose deaths dropped by 45%. While that's a small victory, we are not holding on to that. We're not sitting there celebrating. We have to keep pushing forward. So that's one of the reasons we're doing Save a Life Days, to not only curb the stigma and the taboo associated with naloxone, but to try to save as many lives as we can.
NKY Health will be distributing naloxone and other health resources at 8 different locations tomorrow, starting at 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And for a full list of locations and those times, go to our website and click on this story.